Okay, this is going to be one hell of a jerky video because I'm doing this all held, and what I'm doing is trying to replicate some experiment I did with the Talking House 4.6 to try and get rid of hum. So what I've got is I've got my Talking House set up outside. Now initially I had set it up inside the house, and I had inadvertently grounded the chassis to my desk, and when I did that I noticed the hum was greatly decreased and almost completely gone. So right now I have the unit set up on a table next to my shed, and we'll go over there in a minute. I have a Radio Shack DX375 tuned to 990. The unit over there is tuned to 990, and right now it's not hooked up to anything, so it's just playing nothing. So I have the volume up all the way on the radio. So as I get closer, let's see if we get any hum. And not only are we not getting hum, it's getting quieter. Now to prove that it's transmitting, stand by a minute, I'm going to put this down. Okay, so if you can see, 990, Roger Ramjet, volume up all the way. Of course the airplane's flying over now.
For his adventure, just be sure and stay tuned to the station.
Let me do that again here. Let me pause until the airplane goes away. Okay, the airplane's far enough away. There's still some guy sawing. So, once again, volume is all the way up. Seems to be dead silent. There's a little hiss, and you can hear another radio station far away in the distance.
Ranger.
Alright, so let me show you the setup here. This just kind of replicates what I did it. I have the case running from a wire to a screw. Where is it? There it is. That's in the side of my shed. Just using that instead of my desk. And then I have the power supply, which is currently plugged into that, and that is going to a isolation transformer in my shed. And you can see the antenna goes horizontally to there, and the distance between them is about 4 or 5 feet, and maybe it's not half a antenna length, but that's it. I did notice that when I first turned it on, I tried using different frequencies, and each one, it took me a while before I found one that the antenna tuner liked with the size of the antenna I've got, and 2, there wasn't any other junk playing. We have pretty crowded radio stations here in Phoenix. So 990 was good, and as you can tell, it's still Pretty quiet except for another plane coming. So, I will double check on my post. I did do a post on this in a separate thread from this one, and I'll see if there's anything else that I did, but I think that was it. I don't think I modified this unit in any way to get rid of the hum. Later.